Alam ba ninyo mga kapatid that God doesn't want you happy? I will explain that to you. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the screen. God doesn't want you happy. Why? Because He wants you blessed. Iba po yung happy sa blessed. Yung pong salitang blessed, galing po sa Greek word na makarios. Pero alam niyo po ba ibig sabihin ng makarios or blessed? Ito po sa original Greek, more than happy. So God wants you to be blessed. He doesn't want you to be happy because God wants you to be more than happy kung anong meron ka ngayon. Ang gusto ni Lord, hindi ka sumaya. Ang gusto ni Lord, mapagpala ka. Ang gusto ni Lord, hindi ka lumigaya. Ang gusto niya, umangat ka, kasama siya. Ang tawag doon, blessed.